Myself, Yusuf Sultan, and my dear brother Subail are here to speak some few words regarding the subject unity.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala warns us of something that we do need a warning about today in the world. Today, what happened to the Muslims? Every small things we are divided. Small things we cannot work together. We are divided. If a person is tall, he does not get along with those who are short. I mean, it's a bit ridiculous, but it can happen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has really warned us about dispute amongst you as an ummah. If you are to dispute, what will happen? You will lose your power and might as an ummah.
We have 2 billion Muslims on the globe. We cannot agree to sweat a fly. Why? Because everyone is a big sheikh on his own and everyone wants to have a big say. And our leaders are fighting each other, each one calling the other a kafir. Wallahi, it's a reality. So what's happening? Our leaders are debating, arguing, fighting and calling each other's names. The public is even more confused because any message of good news, they are kept away. Hey, don't go here, hey, don't go there, hey, don't do this, hey, don't do that. Arey, what's happening?
Allah says in Quran, verse number 47, Surah Anfal, Atiullah wa atiur Rasul. Follow Allah and follow His Rasul. Do not dispute because it will result in total failure.
Today, brothers and sisters don't speak to each other. Uncles and aunts don't speak to each other. What a shame. Trustees of one masjid do not catch up with the trustees of another masjid. Why? Because it's an issue of prestige.
Allahu Akbar. What are you talking about? We are an ummah. We share the shahada. We share the one shahada. That's enough. Put aside your differences and come together. We need a might as an ummah. We have the numbers, we have everything. But the problem is, we are disputing.
And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala warns us in the Quran. And those who disbelieve are the allies of one another. The kuffar, they are the protectors and supporters of one another. They put aside their differences when it's come to them to stick up for one another. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala warns us in the Quran, if you Muslims are not going to do the same, there will be a great fitna, fasad and operation on the whole globe.
We mean, if we are not going to stick up with one another and protect one another, then there will be corruption in the whole globe.
Hence, we find chaos and corruption on the whole globe today. It's the decree of Allah. We are totally disunited. We cannot see face to face yet. After all, we are born from one mother and one father. May Allah bless this ummah. May Allah protect us. It's worth crying for. My brothers and sisters, we are calling for unity. It's not going to work until we are not going to tolerate one another. We need to understand one another. After all, we say one shahada, but isn't it stronger than the bond of blood?
My brothers and sisters, gone are the days when the kuffar were excited because they can trample on us. By the disunity we are engaged in, our brothers are suffering across the globe. We need it. We need a might as an ummah.
Why? The reason is we are swearing one another. We are calling one another's name. We do not want to look one another. A Muslim from one country does not catch with a Muslim of another country. A Muslim from America says, I'm an American Muslim. A Muslim from Africa says, I'm an African Muslim. A Muslim from Lebanon says, I'm a Lebanonian Muslim. A Muslim, I'm an Indian Muslim. I'm an Afghani Muslim. Enough. What are all these? Instead of saying that, you can say, I'm a Muslim from India. I'm a Muslim from America. I'm a Muslim from Pakistan. My brothers and sisters, it's a passionate call. We need peace and unity.
We are in need of peace and unity.
We are searching for peace and unity.
We are the people of peace and unity.
We conclude our speech by saying,
Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.
Assalamu alaikum.